Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Notch. Today we're diving into a topic that's sure to rev up your engines, how to find a V8 engine car for under $5,000. I know you love that powerful rumble and don't want to break the bank, so you're in for a treat. So buckle up and let's get started. First, let's chat about why V8 engines are so appealing. There's just something special about that roar when you start one up, right? V8s are known for their impressive power and torque, giving you quick acceleration and an exhilarating driving experience. Whether you're merging onto the highway or cruising through town, a V8 can make the journey a lot more exciting. Plus, they often come in classic muscle cars and sturdy trucks, so there's a style for everyone. Now you might be wondering, is it really possible to find a reliable V8 for under $5,000? Absolutely. But you'll need to do a bit of digging. The key is to be patient and open-minded. At this price point, you might encounter higher mileage or older models, but that doesn't mean they're not worth your time. With a little luck and some savvy searching, you can score a fantastic deal. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. My top picks for V8 cars under $5,000. These options are definitely worth checking out. First up, we have the Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra from 1999 to 2006. These come with either a 4.8-liter or 5.3-liter V8 engine, offering up to 300 horsepower. They feature a spacious interior, good towing capacity, and a range of configurations such as regular cab, extended cab, and crew cab. When looking at these, check for rust and ensure the transmission shifts smoothly. Many are used for heavy work, so maintenance history is crucial. Next, the Ford Mustang from 1994 to 2004. It boasts a 4.6-liter V8 engine with 305 horsepower in later models. With its sporty design, rear-wheel drive, and fun driving experience, this car is a classic. Options for manual or automatic transmissions are available. Inspect the body for signs of wear, especially if it's been modified. Listen for engine noises and check the clutch if it's a manual. Moving on, we have the Dodge Charger from 2006 to 2010. Equipped with a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine, it packs 340 horsepower. It offers a spacious interior with modern amenities, good performance, and a unique muscle car look. Look for electrical issues or signs of previous accidents. A well-maintained Charger can provide great performance for the price. Then there's the Chevrolet Impala SS from 2000 to 2005. It has a 5.3-liter V8 engine with 303 horsepower. This car offers a comfortable ride, spacious interior, and decent fuel economy for a V8. It's also a bit of a sleeper car. Check the suspension and brakes, as these can wear out over time. Make sure the transmission operates smoothly. The Ford Crown Victoria from 1998 to 2011 is known for its durability, spacious interior, and rear-wheel drive. It often serves as a police car or taxi, which speaks to its reliability. It comes with a 4.6-liter V8 engine producing 250 horsepower. Inspect for rust and check the maintenance records, especially if it was used in a fleet. Next, we have the Chevrolet Tahoe or GMC Yukon from 1999 to 2006. With a 5.3-liter V8 engine, it offers 320 horsepower. These are great for families, providing plenty of cargo space and good off-road capabilities. Look for leaks and signs of wear in the suspension. Check the condition of the rear differential. The Dodge Ram from 1994 to 2001 features a 5.2-liter or 5.9-liter V8 engine, offering between 230 to 300 horsepower depending on the engine. It has a rugged design, excellent towing capabilities, and is customizable. Inspect the bed for wear and check the engine for any signs of leaks. Then there's the Nissan Titan from 2004 to 2015. It comes with a 5.6-liter V8 engine producing 317 horsepower. It offers a spacious interior, good towing capacity, and a comfortable ride. Check the fuel system for any issues and listen for any strange noises from the engine. The Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS from 2000 to 2007 has a 5.3-liter V8 engine with 303 horsepower. It features a stylish coupe design, comfortable for daily driving, and good power. Watch for transmission issues and ensure the suspension is in good condition. Next, we have the Pontiac G8 from 2008 to 2009. It's equipped with a 6-liter V8 engine delivering 361 horsepower. This car offers sporty performance, a spacious interior, and a unique look. It's one of the last Pontiac models before the brand was discontinued. Check for any modifications and ensure the brakes and tires are in good shape. The Ford Expedition from 1997 to 2006 comes with either a 4.6-liter or 5.4-liter V8 engine, offering between 300 to 400 horsepower depending on the engine. It provides plenty of space for passengers and cargo, good towing capacity, and available four-wheel drive. Inspect for rust and check the air conditioning system, as these can be problematic. Lastly, the Lincoln Navigator from 1998 to 2006 features a 5.4-liter V8 engine with 300 horsepower. It offers a luxury interior, spacious seating, and a smooth ride. Check for electrical issues and the condition of the air suspension, which can be costly to repair. Now that you have some great options, let's go over some tips for buying a used V8 car. These will help you avoid pitfalls and find the best deal. First, do your research. Check sites like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds to get an idea of fair market prices. This will help you spot a good deal when you see one. Next, inspect carefully. Always do a thorough inspection. Look for signs of wear and tear, and if you can, bring a mechanic along. They can help spot issues that you might miss. Consider mileage. Higher mileage isn't necessarily a deal breaker, but it's good to know the maintenance history. A well-maintained car can still have plenty of life left in it. Take it for a spin, never skip the test drive. Feel how it handles and listen for any unusual noises. This is your chance to really get a sense of the car. And finally, negotiate like a pro. Don't hesitate to negotiate the price. Sellers often expect some back and forth, so go in with confidence and see if you can snag a better deal. There you have it. Your ultimate guide to finding a V8 car for under $5,000. Whether you're after a muscle car, a sturdy truck, or a family SUV, there are plenty of options out there waiting for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive content. And let me know in the comments if you've had any luck hunting for a V8, or if there's a specific model you're curious about. Thanks for watching, and happy car hunting.